Hello guys. Welcome back to another video. This is the latest update. Hopper Games and Code Mystics announced its sophomore release Deadbolt is coming to PlayStation consoles in just a few weeks. A launch trailer was released flaunting some of the game's bloody gameplay. In Deadbolt, you play as the Reaper set out to kill the undead. Although you'll have all the tools and skills you'll need to accomplish your mission, any hit or shot you take will end in death. Initially released in 2016, Deadbolt features extremely challenging, stealth action gameplay that allows you to either destroy your enemy's guns blazing or with subtlety. After completing a mission, you will earn souls that you can use to unlock weapons that may fit your playstyle. This includes crossbows, scythes, and a semi-auto shotgun. Hopper Games is most notably known as the maker of 2013's Risk of Rain, which launched for PC, Mac, Linux, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation Vita. Deadbolt will launch for PlayStation 4 and PS Vita with cross-buy support on February 20, 2018. The price has yet to be announced. If you can't wait, you can pick it up on Steam right now for $9.99. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for more such future updates.